train your English voice to learn how to use will or shall in sentences. We use will when we make affirmative or negative sentences about something in the future. Affirmative means positive. Now let's have a look at these examples. I, you, we, they, he, she, or it. The affirmative, will. The negative, will not, or the contraction, won't. Plus infinitive verb. Go or come. Bring or take. Eat or drink. For example, I will come home at 7 p.m. Or he won't go to work next week. Now let's have a look at these examples. I will go to the New Year's party. They'll be playing very loud music. It will not be boring. Or I won't be working the next day. Usually, when we use will or shall, it has the same meaning. However, we cannot use shall when we talk about others. For example, we say, I shall or we shall, but we don't say he, she, or it shall, or they, or you shall. For example, we can say, I shall arrive at the airport at 6 p.m. We don't say, he shall arrive at the airport at 6 p.m. However, we can say, he will arrive at the airport at 6 p.m.